Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. The reason for today's video on SHIB token is to tell you that the price action is very close to test this key level support, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price action will break down this support or it will be reverse bullish from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link in the video description to join me here. You can find there. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price action is moving between a horizontal resistance and a horizontal support as well. We have the horizontal resistance here at 0.0000093 and we have the horizontal support here at 0.0000055. And in my previous video, I've already shown you this article in my previous video that I shared with you, that the price action is rejected by this resistance, and there is a possibility that we will test the support once again. And now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action is still moving to the downside. And previously we had this MACD indicator that it was turning bullish, but now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart here, I have again placed the MACD with the RSI. Previously, we were also looking at the stochastic as well. Let me place the stochastic again. And we can see that the stochastic is still moving in the oversold zone. And now this time, the RSI, let me make it more visible for you. And you can see that now the RSI is just entering the oversold zone again. Like previously entered, it was entered here. And when we received the MACD bullish signals by the MACD and the stochastic was turned bullish, the candlesticks reached to the resistance of this channel, this horizontal resistance. And at the same time, the price action has also formed a down channel as well, as I have mentioned here. If I place this trend line here like this, then you can see that the price action is also at the same time moving in a down channel. And so far it is not able to break down the support or break out the resistance since after 19th of May, since this very strong bearish trend has been started. Now at the same time, it is also possible that the price line will be reverse bullish and it will again hit this horizontal resistance. In that situation, we can have up to 70% rally from here, from $0.0000550 to $93. That can be up to approximately 70% rally. However, it is also possible that the price action will test the support of this channel here, that is approximately at 450, and it will be moved up to this resistance that is approximately at 780. Yeah, even in that situation, that can be a very big rally. However, this time I'm expecting that the price action can be reverse bullish from here, because at the same time, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, it is also very close to test this very key level support of Bitcoin at $28,800. So if the Bitcoin will be reverse bullish from here, then we can expect more a bullish rally by the SHIB token, at least up to this resistance of the channel or this horizontal resistance as well. That will be a very big move as compared to the Bitcoin move. And now, after watching the oscillators, I would like to show you the volume, that how much powerful we have this sell volume. If I place the volume indicator, that will be helpful for having understanding about the sell. Then we can see that we are not having powerful sell volume like previously we had here. And if to measure the power of buying or sell volume, I'm just going to place this volume oscillator tool. That is very important, useful to measure the value of the buying or sell. Then we can see that it is still in the negative territory. You can see the value here. I'm just going to place my mouse here, and you can see it is in negative 9.79. So sell is not on the daily time frame chart as that much powerful that can lead the price line to break down this support of the channel especially, and even it will be really difficult for the price line to break down this key level support as well. However, at the same time, it can be a very, very good opportunity for the people who want to buy Shiba. And if they want to buy at this support, and if it will be reverse bullish from here, then it will be an imminent profit for them. However, if they will buy here and the price line will break down the support and even the support of the channel, then we can have another new low, because at this time the Shiba is moving at the lowest price, very close to the lowest price and lowest support ever in the history of Shiba token. And unless we will not have the powerful sell volume like we previously had here, it is not possible for Shiba to form lower than the previous low, to break down this support, and especially the support of this down channel as well, because at the same time the price action has also formed this down channel. But if we place the volume profile again to watch the interest of the traders based on the volume, then we can see that so far this point of control of the volume profile is showing that the price action can move up to this level to follow the point of control. And we have very weak interest of the traders here that is above the support, and we have interest of the traders, the weak interest of the traders above this level that is even above this resistance of the channel. Therefore, if the price action will again follow this point of control of the volume profile that is approximately here at $0.00000870, that will be also a very big move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.